Today our topic is neutralization reactions. जो पहले हमने पढ़ा था एसिड बेस एंड सॉल्ट्स का, इस चैप्टर में एसिड बेस एंड सॉल्ट्स हमने पढ़े थे. अब इस चैप्टर में ये एक लास्ट टॉपिक रह गया है, न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन. क्या होता है न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन? द रिएक्शन इन विच एन एसिड रिएक्ट्स विद अ बेस टू फॉर्म सॉल्ट एंड वाटर. In this reaction, the acid it reacts with the base to form the salt and water as byproducts. Here a small amount of heat is also produced. Example, we can take example of ICl, which is an acid. It reacts with the base sodium hydroxide to form sodium chloride and water, and a little amount of heat is evolved. This is acid. It reacts with a base completely to form salt. This is salt, NaCl, sodium chloride. So this reaction in which an acid reacts with a base to form salt, this reaction is known as a neutralization reaction. Then we have to discuss, or we have to see neutralization in our life. First we'll take indigestion. We know that our stomach produces hydrochloric acid, ICl. The walls of the stomach, produces hydrochloric acid, which help us in digestion. If we take the spicy food, or we are having tensions due to these reasons, by taking spicy food or having tensions, the wall of the stomach produces excess amount of ICl, due to which the stomach acidity is caused. If this stomach acidity is not controlled, it may lead to stomach ulcer, which is very dangerous. So to reduce the effect of this hydrochloric acid, or to control the stomach acidity, doctors they give the patient an antacid, which this antacid, in which magnesium hydroxide, which is also known as milk of magnesia, and aluminum hydroxide, these two these are bases. Magnesium hydroxide is also a base, and aluminum hydroxide is also a base. These are present in antacids. These antacids are given to neutralize the effect of ICl. So here also the neutralization reaction takes place. These antacids react with the neutralize the hydrochloric acid effect, and this stomach acidity is relieved. This stomach acidity is treated by these antacid, which is a base. Second example is soil treatment. If the plants that grow well in neutral soil, the soil which is neutral in nature, plants grow well in these neutral soils. However, when we're using the fertilizers, due to the use of these fertilizers, acidity of this neutral nature of the soil gets converted into acidic soil. Or the roots of these harvested crops are allowed to decay in the field. They also lead to the acidic nature of the soil, or they increase the acidic character of the soil, which reduces the crop yield. So farmers spray calcium oxide to neutralize this acidic nature. Farmers spray calcium oxide, which is also known as quick lime, and calcium hydroxide, slaked lime. These two are sprayed on these on the soil or the crop, to reduce this acidic nature of the soil, to neutralize this. So here also the neutralization reaction takes place. This is another example. The third example we can take, this is factory wastes. The wastes that are discharged by the factories or industries, they are acidic and basic in nature. To neutralize these acids or bases, lime is used. They are treated. If these acidic materials or these discharges are directly put into the rivers or lakes, they will kill the living organisms living in the water. So they will destroy the living organisms. To neutralize this acidic material, before falling into the river, or before discharging into the river, they are treated with the lime, which is a base to neutralize this acidic character. And fourth one is sting of ants and bee. When an ant or a bee they sting, they inject the formic acid into our body, which which gives the pain. This formic acid which gives a burning sensation to our skin or our body. So it is to get to neutralize this formic acid. This the area around this sting, the area around the bite is rubbed with a soap to neutralize this acidic burning sensation. So it's rubbed with the soap, which neutralizes formic acid, and the pain we get relief from this pain. Then fifth one is preserving milk in which in during these hard climates when the temperature is very high, the naturally occurring bacteria which is present in the milk is produces lactic acid. This lactic acid converts the milk into curd. To prevent this milk from getting converted into curd, we use baking soda in the milk to prevent it against the effect of lactic acid. These are the few examples of nitric neutralization reactions which takes place in our day-to-day life. Thank you.